Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose for making this video is to provide an outlook for Indian stock markets for 24th June. We would be discussing Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 24th June. And apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see that overall highest amount of calls have been written at 15,800 strike and highest amount of puts have been written at 15,500 strike. So it gives us a 300 point range for the index for tomorrow, with 15,500 likely to act as a support and 15,800 likely to act as a resistance. And if you were to see the change in open interest data, what happened on Wednesday, 23rd June, today, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 15,800 strike, followed by 15,750 strike, and highest amount of puts were written at 15,600 strike, followed by 15,650 strike. And you will also see that in puts, 15,800 strike, 15,900 strike, they saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that put option buyers of these strikes, they book their profits, and put option writers of these strikes, they book their losses. If we analyze the option max pain data, you will see that for 24th June expiry, the max pain level is at 15,700 levels. So it tells us that highest amount of calls and puts have been written at 15,700 strike. So if market was to expire tomorrow at 15,700 levels, in that scenario, put and call option writers of 15,700 strike will make profits, as the premium it would evaporate and become zero, and call and put option buyers of 15,700 would suffer huge losses as the premium would decay, and large percentage of options, they also expire worthless on expiry. So one can expect market to be trading in a range of 15,500 to the downside and 15,800 to the upside, and with the max pain level in between around 15,700 levels. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyer as it is trading above 15,629, which is the monthly open. And if you see the weekly time frame, market is again under control of buyers as we are trading above the weekly open at 15,525 levels. And if you see the daily time frame, so here you will see that yesterday we had a confirmation that we may have be starting a new uptrend, as we formed yesterday a higher high and a higher low, and today we have breached yesterday's low. So now we have a situation in which we have formed a lower high and a lower low. So in terms of market trend, one can see that in terms of daily structure, market is under control of sellers based on the daily time frame. However, on the monthly as well as the weekly time frame, market is under control of buyers. So there is conflict, and based on this price structure, we have to prepare for multiple scenarios for tomorrow expiry. So based on the price structure, we get the following scenarios. Above 15,686 levels, we can trade towards 15,780 levels, 15,831 levels, and potentially 15,895 levels. And below 15,673 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,622 levels, followed by 15,558 and potentially 15,484 levels. And these levels seem to mirror the options open interest data, which suggests that resistance for the index currently is around 15,800 levels to the upside, and support currently lies around 15,500 based on the options open interest data. Now we would be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are all inside candles on the daily time frame. So the first stock is Birla Software. It is trading below its 5-day exponential moving average. However, it is trading above the 20-day exponential moving average. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 393.8 levels with our full size, and we'll look for selling opportunity below 383.45 level with half our normal size. Next stock is IndusInd Bank. You will see that based on the moving averages, it is currently in an uptrend as 5 exponential moving average is above 20-day exponential moving average. However, you will see that in terms of recent price structure, it is basically trading sideways, and today it has formed an inside candle. So above 1017.9 level, we'll look for buying opportunity with full size, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 996.4 with half our normal size. Our third stock is Just Dial. It is in an uptrend based on the moving average crossover. However, it is trading below 5-day exponential moving average, and it is above 20-day exponential moving average. It is trading below 5-day exponential moving average and above 20-day exponential moving average. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 1044 levels in Just Dial with full size, and we'll look for selling opportunity below 1005 with half our normal size. And our final stock for tomorrow is Mahindra and Mahindra. It is in a downtrend based on moving averages crossover, and prices trading below 5 and 20-day exponential moving average. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 774.9 with full size, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 786.1 with half our normal size, as Mahindra and Mahindra is in a downtrend based on the exponential moving averages at this point of time. Finally, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 15,686 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,831 levels, and below 15,673 level, we can trade towards potentially 15,558 levels. And broadly, we're in a 300-point range on the index based on the open interest data, with 15,800 likely to act as a resistance and 15,500 likely to act as a support. And the max pain is nestled in between the 300-point range, and max pain for tomorrow expiry is at 15,700. So if market expires around 15,700 levels, in that scenario, call and put option writers, they would be making profits, and call and put option buyers of 15,700 strike, they would be making losses. And our stock watch list comprises of Just Dial, IndusInd Bank, Mahindra and Mahindra, and Birla Software. And we have discussed these stocks earlier in this video, as they all have formed an inside candle on the daily time frame, and inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look to enter if either side of the range breaks. And I would like to remind you that I would be sharing my long short bias stock watch list around 9:45 p.m. and I like to thank you all for watching this video.